It's always a delight to always come, you know, receive the freshness of the day. Try to be in contact with nature, you know. Walk, go around, you know. Go around. Check the land. Okay, your strength lies on the earth you place your feet on. Because every energy, okay, every vibration happens from the ground. It's not in the air. Okay, check your Schumann resonance. It's not in the air, it's from the ground. So when every morning you come and then take your communion, you know, to the ground, you know, realize Mother Nature is there. You have everything available for you to thrive. Okay. Your happiness depends on you. Nature is happy. The air is there. The trees don't complain. Okay. Everyone is living their own dream. You know. Live your own dream. There is nothing wrong with living your own dream. At the end of the day, it is your dream. You know. You want it to be a reality. Stop dreaming, start acting. Okay. There's no two solutions to life. Stop dreaming, start acting. Stop thinking. Okay. Put your thoughts into actions. You know. Thinking does not create anything. Okay. Thinking gives you a perspective to oversee something. But to create it, you have to act. You have to take actions, you know. Do things that reflect your thoughts. It's simple. Oh, I want to go and take a shower. You take yourself to the bathroom and then you pour water on you. Simple. I want to be successful in life. You check for what makes success and then you start doing it. End of story. This is my success. This is my inspiration. Okay. This is my life and this is the beauty of it. I am one with nature. And from becoming one with nature, I become one with you. We are all one. Same consciousness. Just expressed in 7.6 billion humans. Mine is happiness. I love you.